Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. Today I have come back a little late than usual. I was not feeling well, had cough, cold and very down with low in energy. So I'm just taking a little time in posting this video. In this video you can see I am sharing the blizzard which had been over the weekend over here in Ontario, all over Ontario, Canada, and also in some parts of northeast in US as well. You can see the heavy winds which is getting carried away with the snow as well as, and the temperature was very low up to -30 degrees. And you can see also the trees are nicely waving from left to right. That means the wind is very harsh. We are living in a little elevated area, that's why it was not so difficult like how the Buffalo people had experienced, which is the most hard hit by this bomb cyclone. The videos of Buffalo is very scary and very disturbing as well, so I will not be sharing any of those clips in my video here. Here in our location you can see the snow. It was very powdery snow. You can see with wind. Even if I open the door it enters our house. In the front there was too much, but at the backyard it was less. That is the direction of the wind only shows the difference. You can see in the front yard it was real very hard. First day nobody went out because the weather was very bad. Temperatures were very low and the wind along with the snow was very super fast. At night and all it was very difficult for us. It was so scary. You will feel like as if your rooftop is going to break out any time. Like that only it was. In front of our house you can see the snow. It was fully filled. One night we had to leave it. Next day morning only we started cleaning it. At that time it was so difficult. Overnight this snow started to freeze. When it is frozen it is much more difficult for you to walk as well as clean. Walking in that snow is very difficult. That day lunch was very simple. It was mixed vegetable pulao and mutton fry along with that chicken and aloo korma. Today no recipes to share in this video. It was all time. I was keep on watching every minute. We were seeing the twists and turns of the breeze. This snow blizzard continued from Thursday night till Saturday morning. All through Friday it was fully snowing and intense wind. Wind was too fast. You will not be able to go outside, but still people drove outside. Here in our location and all no problem, but other location it was bad situation. In this wintry weather everybody expected to make me some pakodas of this kind, so I am preparing onion pakoda for the snowy evening. Here in Canada also many places which are near to the Great Lakes is much more affected, which is very close by to the lake. That is Lake Erie and Lake Ontario. These two are the Great Lakes and there are many other lakes too. But nearing to these lakes, which all cities were there were very hard hit. One of a kind is on US side is Buffalo. Buffalo is generally in winters they will have lot of snow because of the lake, the effect of lake. That is, it's a sandwich between two lakes like Ontario and Erie, and this is one of a kind in decades. This blizzard is, so it has bombarded whole lot of snow in that city. That is the only hit hard city which is very close by to the lakes. Our heartfelt prayers for the Buffalo people who had been hard hit by this bomb cyclone or the blizzard. It was really very tragic. Here also in our backyard, I show you the cars keep moving even when it is snowing. That's how people took it very light and they went out with cars. Those who all were on road in Buffalo were all dead almost, because the snow fell so fast. Even the moving car, when they stopped, it was not able to move. Extremely intense weather it was. Fully in no time the snow just came down like piles of snow, and it covered the cars and everything. If you see the videos over there, is very, very disturbing. Still the bulldozers are keep on working, and in that situation many bodies are being recovered out of the snow. It is very, very hard to see. And also in this weather, everybody is getting cough, cold and flu like symptoms. Again, it's a humble request, everybody can start wearing mask and start using sanitizers, because COVID is again getting its peak time everywhere. Even in our friends circle we see that they have COVID, and again it is affecting the normal life of people. So it is we who can stop it by wearing masks, taking precautions and staying indoor, not having large gatherings. These kind of few things which has to be followed. We did not go out anywhere until 2 days, because first day at least the roads were good enough that snow is not frozen. You can see the next day the whole road is fully frozen, and the wheels in the front you can see for that car, it is not at all rotating. This is what will happen. You will end up like your car is stuck on the road. It will not move at all. You will just push the engine, but the car will not move. In one angle somewhere he got a chance to move again. That's how it will happen if the roads are nicely frozen and there is black ice. You can see everywhere there is lot of snow. The snow will be very, very shiny and sparkly. You can see, if you see in sunlight, everywhere it will be very bright and sparkly. Even in that snow, if you see, there will be like this pieces of ice. Even on the, if you just dig in, you will see that whole floor will be ice. See, this is the salt bag you should use for melting the snow. In this snowy cold weather, craving for chana papdi chaat, so I am preparing chana for the chaat. Just take oil, enough oil, jeera, onions and very few ingredients, that is turmeric, chaat powder and little bit of chana masala, fried along with the tomatoes. Nicely fry them well and add enough boiled chana and add whole lot of water. Don't be stingy in adding water. We need a little runny chana masala only to give a base for our chaat. I cooked it for up to 3 steams. Until then I prepared all this what is required: onions, tomatoes, lemon, coriander, samosa, this is papdi chaat and save for top. Now our chana is very much runny. You can see there is lot of water. We will just take a potato mash and nicely mash half of the chana. Then only the chaat will be very, very tasty. This way our chana is very much ready. Now you can layer it on your own choice. Just you can layer, first you can layer samosa and then you can add this chana chaat, or you can just do as I am doing it. First layer of chana, second layer of samosa, then onions, tomatoes, coriander, and this is the papdi. All papdi chutneys all are store bought ones. And this is yogurt in which little bit of sugar I added and beaten it. And then I am putting mint chutney and our favorite tamarind chutney. Then last and final we will be finishing it up with this save. That's it. Our chana chaat is very much ready. I just kept the lemon. It is personal choice. If you want, you can squeeze it and enjoy. In this cold weather, it was very, very tasty. Little bit of spicy, sweet, tangy, awesome taste. Next day when we went out, it was everywhere snow, white bed of snow. Roads were clear very easily. They will clear it up by sprinkling the salt, and you can see now the sky is clear. It will be good for another 15 days. We don't have any snow forecast. I wish you all a very happy new year in advance and hope you all stay safe and take good care of yourself and your family. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do sure like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Soon I'll be back with another awesome video in the next year. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.